Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a website for restaurant menu. The platform that we'll be using for this example is Jotform. So I want you to go onto jotform.com. Then from there you can sign up using your email address. Once you have created your Jotform account, you're going to tap on templates from the top navigation bar and you're going to select form templates. After selecting form templates, from here all you'll need to do is tap on the search bar at the top of the page and you're going to simply type out restaurant, then tap on search. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down and I want you to select from one of the restaurant order form templates. So you can see we have two different options. So you can tap on preview and you can see how it looks. So you can see how these templates look right here. So you can scroll down and you can preview the template. If you don't want to use this one, you can tap across and you could preview this template and you can see how it looks right there. So you can select which one of the templates you would like to use. Let's say for example I were to use this one. So I'm going to tap on use template. After selecting use template, you can preview how it looks further. Then all you'll need to do now, you can tap on the section to start editing it. For example, let's say I would like to change it from restaurant pre-order form to restaurant menu. I can simply tap in the box right here. Then I could clear out this section and I could type in menu. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add in your company's logo, you can do that by tapping on add your logo. You can also access other form elements by going over to the left-hand menu option and tapping on add form elements, as you can see right here. Now we're going to scroll down and we're going to be editing the menu option. So to do this, you'll simply tap right where you see hamburger for instance on my screen. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the settings cog that says properties. Once you have tapped on properties, what I want you to do next, after selecting that, I want you to tap on the first option that says product list. After tapping on product list, from here you have a few options. You could either tap on the pencil icon and you could edit each. So for example, instead of it being beef burger, I could for example type in fried chicken. So I can do that right here. So let me do that. After you have done that, you could edit the price. You can also edit the description and then you could change the image. So I could tap on add image and I could upload my own image. After you have done that, you can also select the category. So I'll be showing you how to create a new category. So you would simply save this option. Now after you have saved it, you're going to go back and then you can continue editing each option. If it is a case that you would like to create new product, you could tap on create new product and you could enter the product name. Now to create different categories, for example, as you can see hamburger right here and pizza, to remove those and create new categories, you're going to tap on settings in the top right hand corner. After tapping on settings, you're going to scroll down. Then from here you can see the two categories that are currently there. To add a new category, for example, I could tap right here and let's say I would like to type in main dish. So I could do that right here. Then I'll tap on add and I'm going to be removing these. So I can tap right there to remove it. And then afterward you could add another category, for example appetizers. Then you can add another category, for example drinks or so on. And you can add different categories as you like. After adding the categories, you can also choose the currency that you would like to use. And if it is a case that you would like to also add minimum order amount, you can enable that right there. And you have other customization options that you can use. You can also choose whether you would like to use a 2-column layout, as you can see there, or 3 columns layout. You can change that. But at the moment, I'll be using the single column. And then you can also tap right here and you will be able to set up the PayPal option. So for example, you could tap on connect and then from there you could input in your PayPal email address so you'll be able to receive payments via PayPal. You can also tap on additional gateway settings and you can scroll down and you can choose whether you like to charge customers later. You can also change the button color and so on. If it is a case that you would like to collect cash in on, you can remove PayPal option. For example, we could scroll down and then from there you can see the different options that you also have. So for example, when do you want your orders to be ready? If it is a case that you would like to edit this table, you can do that. For example, you can tap on the settings cog right there. After tapping on the settings cog, from here you can tap on time and you could edit the time options. You can tap on options right there and you could change the date format and so on. Or if it is a case that you would like to remove this option overall, you can tap on the trash can to remove it. I would also recommend that you leave in type of order, whether it is takeout or dine in. Then to scroll down now, as I was saying earlier, from here you can edit the payment method. So for example, I'm going to be removing the bank transfer option. So you can see right there cash, and I can also add another option. So I could tap on add option right here and they could type in the other option, or you can leave it as is. And as I was saying earlier, if it is a case that you would like to remove the PayPal option, you can do that if you want. But I would recommend that you leave it as is because most persons will be paying via PayPal or so on. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on settings from the top navigation bar. After tapping on settings, from there you can see that the form status has been enabled and you're going to tap on publish next. Now that you have tapped on publish, you'll be provided with a link. All you need to do, you can copy your link right here and you now have your website. You can also tap on the QR code and from there you'll be provided with a QR code that you can share. And in the future, if you would like to create an app for your restaurant menu, you can tap on create app and you'll also be able to use the Jotform platform to create your app for your restaurant menu. So you can see how it looks right here. So you can see how it looks right here, and keep in mind the only error option that you're seeing right here is because I've left in the PayPal option that I have not activated. So for example, you can select what you want. So let's say for example that option. Then you would scroll down and you will fill in when you would like it to be ready, and you can also see the price right there. Thank you for watching.